Okay, welcome to this video. If you're watching this video, if you search for this video, chances are you are annoyed by Dell's new BIOS update. You're annoyed because Dell won't let you use this application throttle stop or Intel Extreme Tuning Utility app. But as you can see, I have a Dell 7577, and right here, as you can see, the offset should be, offset should be 0.000, all these numbers, but I could manage to get these to the values that I wanted to. Just by applying the method I did, thanks to this person right here. This person created basically a Python app, two separate apps, as you will see, but even if you don't understand their nature, it is easy to use. I'll show you everything you need. So let's jump in. We have 5 steps here and one requirement. The requirement is this language right here, Python. Okay, if you don't have any idea what this is, or if you've heard about it but never used it, chances are you don't have this installed in your computer. What I want you to do first, and this is a requirement, it's not even a step yet. If you don't have this, this won't work and you won't be able to do that. So go to python.org and then go to downloads and download the latest version, okay? And then restart your computer if it doesn't automatically do that, to make sure that you have done everything correctly, okay? Once you do that, come back to this video and we'll start with step 1. We have 5 steps. Step 1 is this. Make sure your BIOS is set to downgradable. What I mean by that? Restart your computer, and when its light turns on, spam the F2 button. Just press that beautiful button. A screen like this will come up, okay? And I want you to go to the maintenance section, and in there find BIOS downgrade. Make sure that this box is checked. If it's not, check it. If it is checked already, you don't have to do anything. You can just press exit here. But if it's not checked, check it and then click apply and then exit, okay? So that's step 1. Congratulations, you're done with step 1. Step 2, we're going to download the script. And for that, I'll share the link to this script here. You're going to click on that link and you're going to go here. A page like this will meet you. I want you to click this yellow, very visible button that says code and then download zip. Download it. That was step 2. We're going to wait for it to download and then we're going to get it to somewhere in our computer. It's still downloading. I think it's approximately 50 megabytes or something like that. It's going for 60, it's going for 70. Okay, it's approximately 70. I'm just going to go here. Okay, I'm just going to take it. Wait, I'm going to go to D here. So I'm just going to go to D. And then I'm just going to create a... It doesn't matter where you create this folder, really, as long as you know where it is. I'm going to create it here, and I'm going to say downgrade, because this is what we're doing. And then I'm just basically going to put this zip inside that folder. Okay, so when you do that, you're done with step 2. Step 3, download the drivers. Again, I'll share the links, but if you want to follow along, you can just use Google or Bing or whatever. I want you to type Dell 7577 support. Okay, and then click on the first link. A page like this will come to you, and what I want you to do in this keyword text box, I want you to write BIOS. and search. So check the category. If the category says BIOS, then you're good to go. You're going to download this one, the latest one. Okay? And then you're not done yet. You're going to click here, and then you're going to go to older versions. And then I want you to download this one as well, 1.9.3. We're going to download that. Okay, when I click that, it directs me to a page like this, and down under you can just say download file, and it's going to download it. So as you can see, I have two separate exe files, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to one by one put them in my folder that I just created. Okay, so congratulations, you're done with step 3 as well. Now what we're going to do is move on to step 4. Step 4 is run the script, but before running the script, what I want you to do is I want you to extract this file right in here. Okay, just extract it. Okay, and then I want you to put these inside here. Okay, so what we did is we created this downgrade folder and we extracted this zip inside it, and I put the files, drivers I downloaded inside that extracted folder, so nothing confusing here. Now mind you, my exe files have parentheses and inside them some numbers. This just means that I downloaded these files before and yours might look different. The only important thing here is the versions. Make sure that you have 1.11.0 at the end and 1.9.3. Okay, so we're ready. What we're going to do is we're going to click here, right there, and we're going to type C